Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been facing the internal error on TikTok shop withdrawals, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the main reasons why this error happens and most importantly, how you can fix it quickly so you can get your money without stress. Many TikTok shop sellers are reporting the internal error message when trying to withdraw their earnings. This usually happens because of one of these reasons: a temporary TikTok server issue, incorrect or outdated bank details, a mismatch between your TikTok shop account name and your bank account name, network or app related glitches. So, here is how to fix it step by step. Step 1: check TikTok server status. Sometimes the issue is on TikTok's and wait a few hours and try again. You can also check TikTok's official support page or community forums. Step 2: update your TikTok app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Step 3: verify your bank details. Open TikTok Shop Seller Center. Go to Payment and Financial Settings. Double check your bank account number, IFSC, SWIFT code, and that your name matches exactly as on your bank account. Step 4: clear cache and relogin. On TikTok app, go to settings and then click on clear cache. Then log out and log back in to refresh your session. Step 5: try another withdrawal method. If you have multiple accounts or e-wallet options available, try linking a different bank or wallet to see if the withdrawal goes through. And this last step is step 6: contact TikTok shop support shop. If nothing works, contact TikTok shop seller support directly. Provide screenshot of the error you registered, email, and transaction details. They usually resolve such cases in 24 to 72 hours. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok shop withdrawal internal error and get your payments smoothly. If the video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with other sellers, and subscribe for more quick fixes and TikTok shop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please, please, please subscribe.